So the Great Freedom Day Festival is back on Amazon, and we on Travel Tech are not lagging behind because we are celebrating our own Dashcam Dhamaka festival. And in this video, I'm going to showcase 30 dash cameras that get some of the biggest discounts on the Amazon sale. So grab onto your seats, get some popcorn, because in this video, you get to see the thing that matters, how much money you can save on each and every dash camera. That being said, if you are planning on buying a dash camera, you won't get a better chance, you won't get a better time than this, because you will save a lot of money. Just don't postpone getting a dash camera after the sale, because you'll have to shell out more money simply for the same dash cam. That being said, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button. And of course, go ahead and join my channel as a member to stand a chance to win premium dash cameras every single month of 2025. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. So as you're seeing right now, the Great Freedom Day Festival has gone live, and in this discount sale, you're gonna get some super cool discounts using specifically SBI credit cards, and discounts are worth up to 14,000 rupees. So let's just move on directly to check the discounts on each and every dash cam that's available in this sale. Let's start off with the most premium segment and let's move on to the VIOFO A329. Alright, so here's the deal, guys. This is the front only variant right here, coming at a price of about 34,500 rupees. But as you can see right now, it gets SBI credit card discount up to 2,000 rupees max. That means you're gonna get this at 32,500, very close to 30,000 range for a front only VIOFO A329. The good thing being you can always buy the rear camera later on. So just because you're buying a front only variant doesn't mean you will get stuck with a front only variant for the rest of your life. You can always purchase a rear camera later on and add it later. The front only variant coming at a price of close to 32,000 rupees. Kind of a sweet deal, because this usually trends at 34 to 35,000, and getting SBI credit card discount for 2,000 bucks is simply good. So now let's move on to check out some other dash cams. Let's move on to the next premium dash camera which I want to talk about, the Vantru N5. Alright, so the Vantru N5 is currently trending at 34,999 on Amazon, but as said, you get straight up 2,000 rupee discount using the SBI credit card, bringing the price down to 33,000 rupees for not a front only, for not a dual, for not a triple, but a quad channel setup. Yes, this is the world's first 4-channel dash camera, giving you 360-degree plus worth of coverage. So getting 2,000 bucks discount is quite a decent discount and quite a good discount for such a premium dash cam. Let's move on to the next one, another dash camera from the brand of Vantru. Let's take a look at the Vantru N4 Pro. Alright, so the Vantru N4 Pro again trends at 31 to 32, but it has got a straight up manufacturer discount and is coming at 30,999 right now. But with 2,000 rupees additional discount, you're getting this at 28,999. That's a sweet deal for the Vantru N4 Pro, because this is a StarViz 2 IMX678 triple channel dash cam, and the quality of this dash camera is simply flawless. I've tried and tested this out personally. The N4 Pro is a definitely good choice for a price of about 28,999, the triple channel variant. Let's move on to the next best premium dash camera and let's see the kind of discount this gets. I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Pro, the previous king of dash cameras. So there's no single channel variant listed here, but you will get this as a single channel variant as well. So if you are interested in purchasing the single channel variant, just click down on the description, you will find my affiliate link there. But right now we are taking a look at the A229 Pro dual and triple channel, and currently the dual channel, which is usually 36 plus, is now 35,600, and the triple channel variant, which is 41 to 42, is now 48,500 rupees. And on top of it, you get additional discount of SBI credit card, which means you get the final price of 33,699 for the dual channel variant. Now if you move on to the triple channel variant, what's usually available at 41,000 rupees is now available at 37,999. That's about 38,000, with 2,500 rupees SBI credit card discount on the A229 Pro Triple. This is the best chance, guys. This is the only chance you will get with such huge discounts. 2,500 rupees discount on the most premium VIOFO A229 Pro triple channel variant. Don't miss this chance if you have that kind of a budget, because this is simply one of the best dash cams that's available out there. So finding the VIOFO A229 Plus right now. So this is again available as a front only dual and a triple channel variant. So let's quickly take a look. So as you can see right now, the dual channel variant coming at a price of 26,100 is now available at a price of 24,000 rupees for the dual channel. That is a sweet deal. Do check this camera out. And of course for the triple channel variant, so here it is, the A229 Plus triple channel variant generally trends at a price of 31,000 rupees. Now in this sale you get a straight up manufacturer discount which brings the price down to 29,000 rupees, and on top of it 2,000 rupees SBI credit card, bringing the price down to 27,000 rupees for the triple channel variant of the VIOFO A229 Plus. As said previously, this is a unique and this is a once in a year opportunity kind of a thing. Getting such low prices, getting such huge discounts up to 2,000 rupees from SBI credit card, best chance to go ahead and grab these premium dash cameras. So here's the biggest and the baddest and the best option from the Redtiger stable, the world's first dual 4K dual star-V2 camera. I'm talking about the Redtiger F77, and it's currently available on Amazon. So as you can see right now, this camera usually trends at 26 to 27,000 rupees, and in this sale the manufacturer discount, the price has come down to 24,300, and on top of it you get 1,250 discount, bringing the price down to 23,000 rupees. That's a super awesome deal for a dual 4K dual star-V2 camera. The Redtiger F77 coming at 23,000. Simply sweet deal. Just go ahead and grab this camera right now. Don't waste your chance. Don't waste this opportunity to save yourself some super cool amount of money. That being said, let's just talk about the other dash cams from the Redtiger stable. The F17, one of the most value for money triple channel dash cams. So this usually trends at 15 to 16,000, but in this sale you get this with manufacturer discount of 15,600, and on top of it you get 1,250 discount, bringing the price down to 14,300 rupees for the Redtiger F17 triple channel variant. So if your budget is like 15,000 max, the F17 is one of the most ideal choices that's available out there. Additionally guys, you can also purchase the Redtiger F77 and the F17 with a free hardware kit. No extra cost, no hidden costs. All you need to do is just use my affiliate link which I have given in the description. You get this combo offer. You can even add in a memory card if you like. So getting free hardware kit at a similar price range is also a sweet deal. It's a super cool deal. Just go ahead and click on my affiliate link and buy it to support my work. Alright, so let's take a look at the next premium dash camera, a mirror dash cam from 70mm which gets the star-V2 sensor. I'm talking about the 70mm S500, and in this sale you're gonna get this at 16,999 with manufacturer discount. I don't think that's kind of a discount. It still kind of looks like a same offer to me, but with the credit card discount you get this at 15,700. That means you get 1,250 SBI credit card discount straight up on the product, no questions asked. So that's also a good deal for a mirror dash camera. You're getting this close to 15,000 rupees. That's also a super awesome deal for the S500. Let's move on to the next best option right here, one of the most premium and the cheapest 4K dash cams that's available under 20k. I'm talking about the 70mm A810. Usually trends at 19,999. That's about 20,000 bucks. But with the manufacturer discount, it has come down to 19,000, which is basically 18,999. But 1,250 additional SBI credit card discount if you're seeing on your screen right now, bringing the price down to close to 17,500 rupees. That's about 2,500 rupees straight up discount on the 70mm A810. Perfect deal for those budget conscious people who want to get 4K resolution, who want to get star-V2 sensor but cannot spend beyond like 17 to 18,000. The A810 is your perfect and your ideal choice. Let's quickly take a look at the flagship budget most popular dashcam from 70mm, the 70mm A510. Now many of you were saying the prices have been hiked just before the sale. Well, the prices will be down now in this sale because of the discount. So let's just quickly take a look at the dual channel variant of the A510. The price currently looking at 13,200. Usually it's 13,999. So that's about 750 rupees manufacturer discount. But if we do take a look at the credit card discount, 1,250, bringing down the price to 12,000 rupees. That's also an awesome deal right there. The A510 has never been so cheaper. The dual channel variant, 12,000 rupees A510. Close your eyes and just pick up deal. This is the perfect dash camera, most value for money dash camera under the 15,000 segment, now coming very close to 10,000 price range. That being said, let's move on and take a look at the front only variant. The front only variant is available at 9,999, that's 10k, but with manufacturer discount you have it at 9,499 right now. But with additional discount of about 950 rupees, that's about 1000 bucks, you get this at 8,500 for the front only. That's simply good. 8,500 for a Star-Vis 2 powered near 4K camera. I mean, what more can you ask for? This is the perfect time to go ahead and grab these cameras. You are not gonna get such prices again anytime soon. Alright, so here's the A800. Usually comes at price of 16,999. Now it's about 16,199. So with the discount you get this at round of 15,000 rupees for the older gen 4K camera from 70mm, 1,250 SBI credit card discount. Quite a good deal for someone who is looking for the older gen Star-Vis sensor and a 4K resolution. VIOFO A119 Mini 2, a very powerful and mini sized compact camera from VIOFO, and VIOFO is at a superb deal. Usually this camera trended at 14 to 15,000 rupees, but there has been a price drop straight up from VIOFO. So currently this dash camera is trending at 12,000 rupees with manufacturer discount. So with additional SBI credit card discount of 1,200 rupees, trust me or not, this is coming close to 10,000 bucks. Yes, that's 10,800 for the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. This is unbelievable. And that's quite good as well, because this camera was like close to 15,000 rupees. Now it's coming at close to 10,000 rupees. That's an ultimate discount right there for the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. Completely changed the budget segment, completely changed the premium segment wherein it came at. So getting a VIOFO A119 Mini 2 front only variant only at a price of close to 10,000 is a simply superb deal. So Nexdigitron Prime Plus has two variants, dual channel and a triple channel variant. Let's take a look at what the dual channel variant currently comes at. So the dual channel variant has been priced at 11,999, but with SBI credit card discount of 1,200 rupees. The dual channel variant coming at 10,799. That's about again close to 10,000 rupees for the dual channel variant. Prime Plus, really good deal. This is the kind of deal which you're not gonna get in a normal sale. Let's move on to the triple channel variant. 14,999 for the triple channel. Similar price even in the non-sale days, coming at 15k. So you add in a 1,250 credit card discount from SBI, you get this for 13,700 rupees. Good deal. 15k coming down to 13,700 for the triple channel variant of the Prime Plus. So this is the flagship, this is the top end dash cam from Nexdigitron, and they're allowing a SBI credit card, bringing down the price to close to 13,000 rupees for the Prime Plus. Definitely one to consider. Let's move on to the next dash cam. This is one of my favorite dash cams because it offers you a touch screen display under 15k. I'm talking about the Redtiger F17. It's currently about 14k, and with the discount it's coming to about 13k rupees. That's 12,900 for a touchscreen based 4k dual channel dash cam. The F790 is also a good choice if you do need a touchscreen camera. Okay, so now let's take a look at some of the cameras from DDPAI. I'm talking about the DDPAI Z40 oldest generation flagship camera from DDPAI. Usually trended at like 10 to 11,000 rupees, but now in this sale it's coming down to 9,500, and with the discount of about 1,000 bucks you get this at 8,500 for the dual channel variant. Under 10k segment is just booming, I must say. Let's quickly take a look at the Z50 previous gen flagship dash cam from DDPAI, and currently it's coming at 12,750, but with the discount 11,500, similar to the price range of about A510. So this is to a previous gen Star-Vis IMX 415 dual channel dash cam. That's also one of the coolest price drops I've seen. So talking about the most value for money mirror dash cam in the world, probably the DDPAI Mola E3 usually trended at 9,999. That's about 10,000 bucks. So you get manufacturer discount, bringing down the price to 9,000. On top of it, you get another 1,000 rupees discount for getting the Mola E3 10-inch mirror dash cam at 8,000 rupees for the dual channel variant. Simply good for those who are looking to get some reverse parking, so want to get some wide display on the car. 8,000 bucks for a dual channel variant from the brand of DDPAI is a simply sweet deal. Alright, so let's start off with the Nexdigitron Prime right here, which we can see on the screen right now. The Nexdigitron Prime, usually trended at 8,499 or 8,999 sometimes, is currently at 8,000, but with the discount you get this at 7,200. That's about 1,000 rupee discount for the dual channel variant, and one of the most value for money dash cams under the 10k segment. We've already spoken about the Prime Plus, so let's just move ahead and take a look at the Nexdigitron Neo ultra low budget camera from Nexdigitron. So this gets a OBD2 kit right in the box with the camera. So usually turned at 3,999, now it's discounted to 3,499, that's 500 rupee discount. And there's no SBI credit card discount, I guess, only ICICI Bank credit card cashback of 175 rupees, so bringing down the price to about 3,300 rupees. So I don't think the ultra low budget segment has any kind of a SBI credit card discount, because I think it has a upper limit, or should I say the lower limit, that you have to purchase above 5,000 bucks to be eligible for any kind of a discount. So the low budget segment only get manufacturer discounts, no SBI credit card discounts. So even right now, as you can see, the ACE 2 coming at 4,999 has been discounted 250 rupees, so it's now currently at 4,749. So manufacturer discounts of 200 to 300 rupees will probably be applicable for all the budget segment dash cameras. You won't get any SBI credit card discount. Hence, I would definitely recommend going ahead with one of the premium options, so higher budget range options, to be eligible to get SBI credit card offer and discounts along with manufacturer discounts. That makes a value for money deal right there. So here's the 70mm A500. The dual channel variant usually came at 11 to 12,000 rupees, but in this sale the manufacturer discount bringing it to 10,800, and with the SBI credit card discount of 1,090 rupees, or should I say 1,100 rupees, the dual channel variant has finally come under the 10k range of about 9,800 rupees. Super sweet deal for the previous gen flagship camera, but I would still recommend going with the A510. You just need to like shell out 2,000 more rupees, but you will get a very much better and an improved and upgraded camera in the name of A510 rather than the A500. So even the single channel variant coming at 8,000 rupees with manufacturer discount, and if you get about 1,000 rupee credit card discount, you get this at 7,800 for the single channel front only variant. I would again recommend going with the dual channel variant and not like directly prefer only the front only variant unless your budget is very tight. So that's it guys, these are some of the sweet deals, some of the best discount deals on the Great Freedom Day sale on Amazon. And in this Dashcam, the Mark of Festival on Travel Tech, this was a special video showcasing all of the discounts. And the point to understand with this sale is that the higher budget range you select a Dashcam from, you get a higher discount. Max cap is about 2,000 rupees discount. So as you start to get lower, the discount also comes down to about 1,500 to 1,200 rupees. So the premium dash cameras from VIOFO, from Mantru, all get the high-end, top-end 2,000 rupee discount along with the manufacturer discount. So I would definitely recommend going with those premium dash cameras to save yourself some tremendous amount of money compared to when if you had bought the dash cam in a normal sale. This would be one of the most value for money deals you're gonna get in this year, and this is a chance which you should not definitely miss. That being said, I'll give you the links to purchase all of these dash cameras in the links below, along with the accessories such as the memory cards. So do make sure to check out those links, and of course I'll also provide you my personal affiliate links as well. So do go ahead and purchase with my affiliate links in order to support my work. So let's continue on with the series of videos on this Amazon sale and help you make that correct purchase decision. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.